Hey Smith, how is it going?
Hey John, not bad. Thanks. You?
Morning Smith, how was your weekend?
Morning, John. It was pretty good. Yours?
Hey Smith, long time no see. How have you been?
Hey John. Yeah, it's been a while. I am good. And you?
Hello Smith, did you have a good day?
Hey John. Yeah, not bad. How about you?
Hey Smith, what's up?
Hey John. Just catching up on some work. You?
Good evening, Smith. How was your day?
Evening, John. It was alright. Nothing special. Yours?
Hey Smith, how is everything going?
Hey John. Everything's good. Just busy. You?
Hey Smith, how was work today?
Hey John, it was hectic but productive. How about you?
Hello Smith, how is your week been so far?
Hello John, pretty busy but good overall. And yours?
Hey Smith, how is the weather treating you?
Hey John, it's been a bit rainy lately but not too bad.